What is up, guys? Today we're going to be learning how to cook garlic toast. So it's a really simple recipe. All you need is some bread. I don't have normal bread, so we're just using hamburger buns, but any kind of bread will do. Some butter or butter substitute, and garlic salt or garlic powder. All right, so what you're gonna want to do first is you're gonna want to like spread the butter on the bread. Just get a good amount of. It's kind of difficult to spread the butter while holding the camera, but get that nice and hold on. That nice and spread on there. You get the same for the other one. All right. So now that you have your butter on the bread, just take your garlic salt, and this is really you gotta just do it by play it by just preference of how much you want on there. I probably put a little too much on there actually, but just kind of spread it around across there with your fingers. Wipe my hands off a little bit. Okay, so yeah, now what you want to do is you want to plug this in, and then just put it in the microwave. Now, I'd say about 30 seconds would be probably best at first, and then just sort of, sorry, I got my dogs barking in the background. Just sort of wait for it. Alright. It smells really good. Now, this isn't really toasty. It's just basically soggy bread. So I'm gonna put it in a little bit longer. 15 more seconds. Alright, and it's still not really toasty. There's not really any way you can get it toasted per se, but it's this will do.